Welcome to Vlogmas Day 24, Christmas Eve. Today, if you have some very last minute gifts, something you may have forgotten about, you can print off my printables that I have over on my blog for free, no signing up for anything. The first one is a to-do list. You can laminate this and gift it with a whiteboard pen or put it in a photo frame for the same effect, a wipe clean to-do list. The second printable is an IOU voucher. I've mentioned these before. The gift of your time can be just as valuable as a monetary gift. You can put one in a card, or you can make a little booklet, cut them out and staple them together, and your recipient can use them as they wish. You can use this for things such as babysitting, dog walking, grass cutting, anything that will be useful and practical. And now I want to take this time to wish you all a Merry Christmas. If you've watched all my Vlogmas videos, I am very grateful to you. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year for 2025.